Hello and welcome to this video tech tip. I'm Scott Craner with Imaginet Technologies. In this session, I'll cover an issue that confuses many of my clients who design corridors in Civil 3D. This is the unintentional attachment of all subassemblies to one side of the assembly marker. In other words, one-sided assemblies. Let's look at an example. In this drawing is what appears to be a common symmetrical assembly with lane, curb and gutter, sidewalk, and daylight subassemblies on both the right and left sides of the assembly marker. But if we look at its construction in the Assembly Properties dialog, we can see that all of the subassemblies are actually attached to the right side of the marker. This situation can be difficult to recognize because these assemblies appear to be correct in the drawing area. They also can result from minor errors during a common workflow, but this configuration alters the interaction of subassemblies, hindering corridor creation. The resulting errors can be sporadic, making this issue hard to identify, though it's easy to fix. I'll close the Assembly Properties dialog box, and with the assembly marker still selected, go to the contextual ribbon. I'll use the Civil 3D Move command to place the appropriate subassemblies on the left side of the assembly marker. Note that the Civil 3D Move command is not the same as the AutoCAD Move command. It's intended for moving subassemblies rather than AutoCAD objects. You can see that by looking at the command line. I'll select each of the subassemblies on the left side of the marker. Then I can either use my right mouse button or press Enter on the keyboard, and I'll select the assembly marker. I'll make sure to select the assembly marker well away from the subassemblies to preclude accidental selection of a point marker. That's probably how this issue is most frequently caused. I'll cover that topic in a separate video tech tip. When we review the Assembly Properties dialog box and look at the construction, we now see that all of the subassemblies are correctly placed on the right and left side of the marker. If you're having trouble with your corridors behaving as they should, I recommend that you check your assemblies to make sure they're not one-sided. But if they are, now you know how to fix them. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching.